My name is Liz Blodgett Smith. For those of you that don't know me, I am the proud director of marketing and sales for this beautiful estate, Penguin Hall. For those of you that don't know about Penguin Hall, we are the newest North Shore senior independent living community. It started with Jim Mullen. Jim Mullen, if you can stand up, many of you know Jim Mullen. And Chris Wise. Chris Wise, unfortunately, couldn't be here tonight. But Chris Wise started the senior independent living communities 22 years ago. He has 6 that are in the Cape. So he and Jim got together and formed this wonderful relationship and are going to build 192 exquisite condominiums here for seniors. So I would like to, before I get into a little bit more detail, I wanted to mention how this came about with Mary. Mary and I sat down, 2 months ago, and Mary with her home health care and Penguin Hall with the new senior independent living thought it would be a great idea to have an event here. So we thought, perfect, with Chris Wise and his 22 years of experience with home health care and understanding the need when a senior, one of their residents, needs some health care, they engage with a home health care, like Mary's companies. So, perfect place to have it here. My job as Penguin Hall is to sell, but I'm not here to sell tonight, but I encourage you to ask questions. Jim, myself, or Lynn Willits in the back. Tonight we'll be walking around, but I truly encourage you to come back for a tour or a presentation so we can tell you all the fabulous things about Penguin Hall. So I'd like to now turn it over to Bonnie, who's going to go through the panel in the evening. Thanks so much for coming.
Hi, I'm Bonnie Akerson. I work with Mary at Private Home Care, and I'd like to welcome all of you for coming. Thank you for taking the time to be with us. I'm going to be the moderator and try to keep everything on track and within time so that all the presenters have an opportunity to speak. So I'm going to be introducing I'll give you the overview. It's going to be 3 people, 3 presenters speaking. We're going to have a 10-15 minute break, and then there'll be 3 more presenters speaking with a 10 to 15 minute break, and then the final 3. At any point in time you need to get up and leave, you can. I want you for a moment to look. There's a survey on your seat. You can fill out that survey and fill it out. It's going to be part of the raffle. We are raffling off several things, $100, as well as a gift certificate from Sallie, Felton, and some books from Marc, Freedman, and some other gifts. So each one of those will go in a raffle, and we'll do that at the end. If you notice, there's a number on each of the surveys. That's what's lined up with what's in the jar. So you can fill out the survey or hold on to the survey, and we'll collect it at the end. So to begin, we're going to start with the first 3 presenters. It's going to be Mary DeMakes, registered nurse with Private Home Care, and then Marc Freedman of Freedman Financials and the host of Dollars and Cents will speak, and then Dr. Ertha of 8 Rivers Integrative Medicine will speak. We'll take a break, and then we'll start with Sallie Felton of Sallie Felton, life coach and international talk show host. And Linda Goodard of Mindful Medicine will speak. And Dr. Jonathan Ines of Medical Psychology Center will speak. And again, we'll have another break. You'll have an opportunity to take wine and get some more food. And then we'll start with Christine Lucas of Complete Mind and Body and Heather Carroll with the Alzheimer's Association. And that will conclude the lineup of speakers. So thank you for coming.